Hey everyone, this video is about the new feature which Instagram rolled out a few weeks ago called Reels in selected countries only. It is now available in UK and many other countries. Instagram Reel is something similar to TikTok where it lets users create short videos set to a music that can be shared with friends and family and also can be discovered just like TikTok app. Reels allow people to record videos up to 15 seconds long and add popular music with an array of filters and effects on top of it. This is great for creators who are looking to use Instagram Reels as a new way of building their fan base. Instagram has revamped its Explorer page to create a specific spot for Reels at the top of the screen that people can vertically scroll through, similar to the TikTok's For You page. So let's look at how to use it. Make sure your app has been updated to the latest version and then go ahead and open up your Instagram app and go over to your Explorer feed. Here you'll find the Reels section at the top of your feed. You'll have the Reels icon at the bottom left of it. Tap on that square and then you'll enter into the Instagram Top Reels feed. This is a separate video feed where you can see Reels video from all accounts, even the ones you don't follow. If you're familiar with TikTok, this is the For You page. As you scroll through Reels by swiping up, you can also interact with the Reels. Double tap or tap on the heart buttons to like the Reels. If you want to leave a comment or view comments, tap on the comment button next to it. And if you want to send this reel to a friend or to your story, then tap on the airplane icon. There are other options within that reel by tapping on the three dots next to the paper airplane icon. Note, all the reels that are being shown are slightly influenced by who you're already following, what content you interact with, and what you're interested and where you're located. If you see a video with a song you want to use, simply tap on the song and then tap Use Audio at the bottom of that page. You'll be able to create a reel using that audio. Now let's go ahead and create your first Instagram reel. Let's go over to your home feed page, then tap on the camera icon at the top left of the page just like you're creating an Instagram story. Once it loads, swipe over to the Reels tab at the bottom. Once it loads up, this is where you'll film, edit and create your reels. Let's walk through some of these editing tools together. The first tool is your music tool where you'll be able to access all the Instagram music. Instagram will give you suggestions on the popular ones and you can also switch over to browse or search for a specific genre, artist or song. Select a song and then Instagram will ask you what part of the song you want to use. The next tool is your speed tool, where you'll be able to adjust your video speed. Here you can make it slow or fast, but I'll leave it as normal just to keep it simple. Your next tool is the effects, which is similar to Instagram stories, where you can scroll through all your effects and apply as per your wish. You can also browse the effects to add more Instagram effects. The fourth tool is your timer tool, where you'll set the duration of your clips by dragging it left or right. Let's make our first clip 5 seconds and select Set Timer. Now it's time to record an Instagram reel, so let's go ahead and press record. It'll show you a 3 seconds countdown and then it'll start to record. After it has finished recording, you can press on the left arrow to review your video. Here you can trim your clip or trash the clip if you're not happy with it. Now it's time to film the next clip. Remember, Instagram Reel is 15 seconds long. Instagram wipes your previous settings apart from music, so if you want to use the same ones, you need to go in and set it again. I'll set the speed to normal again, apply a random effect, and for this clip I'll record for the remaining of the 15 seconds. Once you're happy with all the settings, then go ahead and press the record button. Record your film. After you finish recording, you'll be able to add stickers, doodles, and text to your Instagram reel, just like your Instagram story. Make sure you're happy with the finished product and now tap on the next arrow. Here you'll be able to add a caption to your Instagram reel. Caption is really important, so let's type in something short and simple. Add a few hashtags. Tap on cover to choose your cover photo. Instagram will allow you to choose it from your clip or from a gallery. I'll choose the cover photo from my clip and press done. Instagram will automatically share it to your reels in the Explorer page, but you can also share it to your feed. Once you're ready, tap on the share button and it'll share to Instagram reel. And that's it. Now you have to wait for it to upload. Once your reel has been uploaded, you can see your reel in the Instagram Reel tab in your profile page. And that is how to use a new feature called Instagram Reel. Thanks so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helps you create some fun and trending Instagram Reels. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to this channel as I make social media app tutorials every other day. I'll see you in the next one.